Hi, Year 12. This is for Thursday, 17th of September. I'm not in today because we have a meeting during our lesson. So I'm just going to explain to you what the work is. It's on Google Classroom and it's this check your understanding. So if you click on it, I want you to complete this traffic light exercise. It's essentially a review of this first subtopic that we've now completed. So this is just to kind of help you go back and make sure you have got all the understanding that you need in place. So there's a series of questions, and these are actually straight from the textbook. So you can go back and use the textbook as a reference point. It's the same one you're using with Mr. Murchie. I think it's about page 230, the leisure and tourism part. And all I want you to do is go through each question and to ask yourself, okay, do I know this? Could I answer it now on an exam paper? And if you do, you can colour it green. So number 1, for example, is distinguish between leisure, sport and tourism. If you can give me those 3 definitions, no problem. You can just turn the box green here for number 1. If you sort of know it, but you'd have to go back and look a bit of it up, colour it amber. And if you've got absolutely no idea what you're doing, then colour it red. It's not a test. I don't mind if some of these are red. But what I need you to do is for anything that is amber or red, so where you're not sure or you really don't know it, you need to go back through your own notes, through the work we've done, through the slides, through the textbook, and find out the answer so that you can add in here and update your understanding. If something's green and you know it already, you don't need to write anything unless you particularly want to. Because to me that says it's already in your brain, you've already got it embedded. But if it's amber or it's red, then you need to go back through and then work out the understanding and then fill your notes in so that when you come back and revise, the answers are there. Question 9 is actually asking you to look at a graph. So I've put the reference on there for you. And number 10 you can ignore because we haven't done the tourism section yet. So that one you can just leave blank for now. Okay, so traffic light everything and then go back to anything that's amber or red and find out the answers. And I will see you next lesson and just make sure that that's on the classroom so I can see it and have a look at it. Thank you.